Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The question regarding parenting. Is it the responsibility of the parents to give the proper tarbiyah and upbringing to their child or children? Yes, it is the primary responsibility of the parents to provide the best upbringing, the best tarbiyah of their child. And this is even more important than feeding them and clothing them. That they must be brought up as good human beings, as good Muslims. And in fact, for the mother, it's the primary responsibility. And keep in mind, it is the joint responsibility. So they must perform this task, the husband and the wife, in a joint and a mutual understanding, with the proper understanding of how they're going to do it. They must jointly and collectively and in the best way possible, in harmony with each other, give tarbiyah to the child. And not just to their own child. The tarbiyah of every child. Your own children, your nieces, your nephews, your neighbors, your neighborhood, this entire ummah, the entire world. All of these children are our children. We must ensure the best upbringing for all of them, so that our future, their dunya and their akhirah are both the most excellent of all. May Allah bless us and our children and all children with the best of dunya and akhirah.